Have you been thinking about condo living? Well, I have this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo right here in the heart of Charleswood. It's walking distance to all the amenities you can imagine, as well as walking trails. And the best part of it, it's under $250,000. I'm Karen Gerard-Smith with Century 21 Bachman. Welcome to 500 Cathcart. Let's go take a look. Whether it's a quiet night in with a great book or you're entertaining guests, the layout is perfect for whatever lifestyle you have. Your south-facing sunroom is the perfect spot for that moment of zen, sipping on your morning coffee and watching the deer grazing in the field. In the evenings, enjoying a glass of wine with your guests, having the kitchen tucked away around the corner means the mess is out of sight. Another thing I love about this layout is the bedrooms are on separate wings of the home, giving you peace and privacy anytime you need it. This condo complex is very well managed with an extremely healthy reserve fund, which will give you peace of mind in your investment. Another convenient feature you're going to love behind these stylish doors is in-suite laundry and additional storage. Just because you're downsizing, it doesn't mean you can't host larger gatherings. There's 2 rooms that you can book for anniversaries, birthdays, or any larger family gathering. If you enjoy an outdoor lifestyle, you're steps away from Assiniboine Forest and Hart Trail. And another bonus is you're minutes away from Tuxedo Golf Course and Assiniboine Park and Zoo. When it comes to groceries and amenities, everything you need is within walking distance. As you can see, this is a perfect opportunity in a fabulous location. I'd love to show you this home. Give me a call. My number's below.